This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I'm on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, staying in a brilliant suite, and we're going to do a tour. We have black bands on this one. It says Seize the Day, and these act as your room key. So we're going to scan the band. So when you walk in, this is the view. All right, we're gonna start over here. The closet. And then we have a door just to the right. It's the bathroom. It is a fantastic bathroom. So you have this peekaboo glass that you can kind of see in the room if you get up close. I mean, it offers a little privacy, but not 100%. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. You do have a handheld along with a rain shower. And the bench, which is awesome for shaving legs, as women know. But it does not shut. It's kind of European style, where it's just open with one piece of glass. And then the toilet has its own room. A little boring, but it does have privacy. And you cannot see through there once it's fully shut. Let's turn. We get Rockstar robes, lotion. There is some space down here, slippers. I love that they have a separate black one for makeup, a washcloth, and there are our robes. So there is a full-length mirror over here. There's also a full-length mirror on the back of the door in the bathroom. We have still and sparkling water that gets refilled regularly. Neither of us drink sparkling, so I've already requested that we have still from here on out. We have a Rockstar agent, if we need anything, who helped us make dining reservations and show reservations. Previously, when we were on board, we didn't have to wear masks because everything was 100% vaccination. But because of Omicron being crazy and spreading like wildfire, we do have to wear masks right now. So we have that. I don't remember what was in here. Oh, hairdryer. Over here, we get a mini bar set up. This is all included with this room. And this is also included for us. Now, just the first one, if we wanted like an additional bottle, we would be charged for that, but everything that's here right now as is included. And if we want mixers like sodas, because soda's included on this cruise, then we can order room service and have some sodas delivered if we want. They do have some nice glasses for our drinks. And the ability to mix if we want. There is some storage right here. It's empty. And some storage over here. Also comes with a record player. 2 albums come in the room, and then we can request additional albums. I had actually, this one, and I think Lady Gaga. These might be the two that come in all the rooms. I had asked our Rockstar agent for additional ones, and we decided that he was just going to surprise me. I said 80s, 90s, 2000s, just hits of any kind. And I think this might be what he surprised me with. I don't know if these were in here before, but I don't think they come standard in the room. I could be wrong. Record player. So there's that. Some seating. Tablet that works. The curtains, the TV. It's where you order room service. I'll have to do a separate video on that. Let's go look from this angle into the shower. See, it's not 100% private. You can see through there. We have this awesome blanket, and we can go out and use it on, well, use it anywhere, but the balcony has an amazing hammock. So it is so comfortable to go out there. It is a larger balcony, so we do have a door on this side, but since it's blocked right now, then we're going to use this door and go out. Have a seat right there. The only thing I think that they could have done better was put 2 hammocks, because the hammocks are seriously so amazing. It would have been beneficial to have 2. And there's plenty of room for it. So I think they missed the mark on that, but that's literally it. Everything else about the room is fantastic. Love that it has some seating with a little table. See, if they just put another hammock over there in that corner, that would have made it perfect. We're in the Port of Miami, January 2022. So that is it. Brilliant Suite, Virgin Voyages, Scarlet Lady.